Hello dear subscribers and guests. Today we will speak about pillows. Why pillows are so important. There are different opinions of how often we should change our pillows. How can we independently determine this fact? How to choose the right size pillow. What kind of pillows we do offer. Why is the pillow so important? People spend an average of a third of their life sleeping. Therefore, beds should always be comfortable, anatomically optimized, offer the people a pleasant rest. This is the first reason why pillows are such an important part in people's lives. The second reason the pillow is home to unwanted occupants such as dead skin, fat, dust mites, and their excrement. And people breathe this dirt 7 to 8 hours every day. And for the people with allergies, this is generally unacceptable. How often should we change the pillow? You can independently determine how often you need to change the pillow to new ones. We will perform an experiment. Attach a flap of white dense tissue to a hose of a vacuum cleaner. Place a band around the top as demonstrated. Then you will vacuum your pillow this way. You'll be surprised how much dust the vacuum cleaner sucks up, leaving it on the cloth. In the next video, I will even demonstrate this to you. You can, of course, carefully vacuum the pillow on both sides. This will remove dust from the pillow. Do remember, the pillow is a home to unwanted occupants, dead skin, fat, dust mites, and their excrement. I want to give you good advice, and please take care of yourself. Don't skimp on your health. Buy a new pillow. How to choose the size of bedding pillow. Another important aspect is the size of the pillow. Just like everything else, every person may prefer a different size depending on their sleeping habits. First, a good pillow must fill the gap between the head and the shoulders so that the head and the neck will reach an ideal position when you lie down. If you sleep on your stomach or your back, having a thinner pillow is recommended. And if you sleep on your side, you are advised you will have a wider pillow. What kind of pillows do we offer you? We would like to offer you an innovative sleeping product manufactured in the USA. Under the video, you will find the link to see the pillow, which we consider one of the best available on the market. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more various products for men, women, children, the link is below the video. According to this video, I want to remind you the phrase that the healthy people have 1,000 wishes and sick people only one. I wish you to have 1,000 wishes.